Hello, students, and in today's lesson, I'm going to promise you one thing that after today, you'll be able to tell stories and stories that span all over time. So, what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn about tenses. Okay, so most of the students they get tensed. So whenever it comes to tenses, students get tensed. But children, today I'll try my level best to simplify tenses down to such a thing so that you can understand it very easily. Okay. So first of all, what are tenses? Okay. So tenses are nothing but ability of verbs to situate themselves in time. Okay, so you know that a verb is an action word. Okay, so the means by which we indicate the time for an action, or when we indicate the time for a verb when it is happening, then this is likely to be the definition of tense. So tenses are nothing but ability of verbs to situate themselves in time, whether an action or verb is in present or past or future. Now, children, I am referring to time here in my definition. You might have noted that. Okay. So, what do you mean by time here? How is time relevant in this context? Now, children, I would like to tell you one thing that in this given context of my definition, time spans over three periods, which is now, yani abhi, which represents present tense. Second, then which represents past tense. Later, which represents future tense. So, children, I'll be dealing all the kinds of tenses separately in each video, but presently we will begin with present tense, and the first part will be simple present tense. Now, children, before I begin tenses, I would like to clear a few things. So, first of all, you need to know how many kinds of forms of verbs are there that we need to know before we start learning tenses. So, basically, children, we are familiar with five kinds of verb forms: V1, V2, V3, V4, and V5. Now, children, you might have been familiar with the use up to V3, but where do we use V4 and V5? V4 is something that we use when we want to denote something in a continuous mode, when we want to discuss a particular verb in continuous form. Then we are going to use the V4 thing. But V5, where do we use it? V5 is used in